The person you are thinking about is currently feeling a shift in their energy towards you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share the exact manifestation frequency that bypasses their ego and speaks directly to their heart. By the end of this video, you won't just feel chosen, you will see the physical proof in your reality. If you are ready to be their only priority, listen closely because the old version of your relationship ends right now. Now close your eyes and take a deep breath. Release the tension in your shoulders. Let go of the silence that has felt so heavy between you. That silence is not an end, it is a bridge being built. As you breathe, imagine a golden light surrounding your phone. This device is now a portal for reconciliation. Every breath you take is pulling their thoughts toward the truth of how much they miss you. Visualize their face. See them holding their phone, looking at your name. The ego that kept them silent is dissolving right now. Feel the shift in the air. They are realizing that life without you is incomplete. They are typing a message. They aren't just saying hi, they are crafting the sincere apology you have been waiting for. Feel the relief in your chest as if the text has already arrived. The wait is over. My person is reaching out to me with total honesty right now. My person is reaching out to me with total honesty right now. Every wall between us has crumbled into dust. Every wall between us has crumbled into dust. They are compelled to apologize and make things right tonight. They are compelled to apologize and make things right tonight. I am the only one they want, and they are choosing me loudly. I am the only one they want, and they are choosing me loudly. The silence is broken, and the new chapter is beginning. The silence is broken, and the new chapter is beginning. I am worthy of a sincere, heartfelt apology and a fresh start. I am worthy of a sincere, heartfelt apology and a fresh start. To lock this energy into the physical world, I want you to go in the comments right now and type, I am their only priority and I claim my apology now. Writing it down seals the contract with the universe. Before we close, look for your confirmation. Within the next 24 hours, you will see the angel number 111. It might be on a clock, a license plate, or a phone notification. When you see 111, pay close attention. Your person will reach out exactly 11 minutes after that sign appears. It is the universe's way of saying, get ready. You have set the energy in motion. But if you feel like you are ready to collapse time and bring them back even faster, you need to align your subconscious mind. Visit joybyjanell.com right now. I have the tools there specifically designed to remove the hidden blocks that keep you in waiting mode. Don't just wait for the text. Command it. Go to joybyjanell.com and let's make this official. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.